Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add new fonts on Procreate, or any font that you like that you want to download and install on Procreate quickly. So for that, what you want to do is just open up Safari or any other browsing app that you have. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and open up Google, and I'm just going to add and type in some random font name. So I'm just going to add Metropolis font, and then there are a lot of websites out there that provide free font. So if you are going for that, just go ahead, and if you want to install paid fonts as well, you can do that. It doesn't really matter. I'm just showing you guys how to exactly download and install it on your Procreate. I'm just going to go ahead and open up this website. So here I'm just going to go ahead and add any random font. So I'm just going to go ahead with Metropolis regular italic because I already have the bold ones. I already downloaded those. So what you want to do is you want to always go ahead and click on OTF, and this is just going to download the font in that format. And this website 1001 fonts, it's really cool. It just provides you free fonts. So yeah, I'm not sponsored by them at all. I'm just saying it because I do use it frequently. Now you just have to hit download, and once downloaded you just have to click on this icon right here, and just as you guys can see, the font or the image right here has the Procreate icon. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and tap onto this like this. Now nothing appears, don't worry about it. You just have to go onto this sign right here, and then you have to click Procreate from this point, and I'm just going to click it once again because it didn't work. Yes, and as you guys can see, it imported the font right on my Procreate so easily basically. So I'm just going to find the font that I downloaded. So it is Metropolis, and I have the thin italic for Metropolis. Now in the similar way, you can download any font that you like online, and then you can import it to Procreate. That's how simple it is. And yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video around it because a lot of people struggle with installing fonts and importing it to Procreate. So this is actually so simple. It works the same with Procreate brushes as well. I do have a video on that as well, on Procreate brushes. Do check them out. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this mini video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Friday, and also do follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys the next time.